guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna explain how we can create a rubber grip in Fusion360 from a mesh file. We have created a new file and will upload an STL file. For uploading STL file, I will click on Insert, Insert Mesh, select from Computer. I will click on rubber grip and open. The STL file has been uploaded into the canvas. I will select the center to align the center of the object to the origin and also select the move to the ground to align bottom of the grip on the Z axis. And then I will click on OK. Now I will go to the top view and I will rotate this object so that we can see the top of the object from the top view. For rotating the object, I will select the STL file, right click on it and click on move or copy. Then I'll go to the isometric view. In isometric view, I will rotate the grip by using this handle up to the 90-degree. You can see that the angle is increasing in negative value. I will enter the value minus 90-degree and click on OK. If I go to the top view, you can see that I can see the grip. Now again, I will move this bottom of the grip to the x-axis. The end point of the grip will align to the y-axis. For moving again, I will right click on rubber grip and will select move and copy. For moving upward, I will use this arrow and will move to the upward until it align to the x-axis. I will use this arrow to line this part to the y-axis and I will move it to the right side and I will click on OK. Now I will go to the front view. In front view, you can see that the straight line is not aligned with the x-axis but this line is aligned with the z-axis. So again, I will move this to downside to align this with x-axis. I click on move and will move. I will zoom it and minus 33.5. The exact value is minus 33.9. Now this part is fully aligned with the x-axis and I will click on OK. Now I will create a new sketch on XZ plane to trace the bottom of the grip. For creating new sketch, I will click on create sketch and will select the XZ plane and will start tracing. First, I will select the line tool and will trace the bottom of the grip. I will keep this a little bit bigger than the grip so that when I will apply the curve at the later stage, it will meet the size of the original grip. Then I will select the 3-point arc tool and will trace this curve. And I will also trace this curve. Again, I will select the line tool and will connect these 2 points. As these are flat, I will trace this end of the grip and will apply a loft command between these 2 profiles to make a specific shape. For tracing this end, I will create a new sketch on YZ plane. I will rotate this and now I will start tracing. First, I will select this line. First, I will select the line tool. We'll create a straight line from here to here. Then another straight line from here to here. Again, another straight line from here to here. I'll create another line from here to here. Now I will press escape and will select the 3-point arc tool to create the arc. First, I will select this point and will create an arc. I applied a tangent constraint on this point and also on this point. I will click on finish and these 2 files has been completed. Now I will hide the mesh and will apply a loft command between this profile and this profile. First, I will click on create. I will click on loft command and will select this profile and this profile. If I go to the top view and turn on the visibility of the grip, you can see that the loft is not following a specific path. I will cancel this and will turn on the visibility of the grip. For getting this shape of the grip, I need 2 guide rails. First from here to here and second one from here to here. And those guide rails must intersect the main profiles. For making the guide rails, first I will hide the mesh, will go to the isometric view and will create a new sketch on XY plane. Again, I will go to the isometric view and before making the sketch, first I will project 2 points for intersecting the profiles. I'll go to the create, project and intersect. First I will select this point and this point for first rail and this point and this point for second rail. And I will click on OK. I will go to the top view. I will turn on the visibility of the grip. Now I will select 3-point arc tool and will trace this arc. After creating this guide rail, I will create another guide rail which will follow this path. Now I will select the line tool and first I will create a line from here to here. Now I will select 3-point arc tool and will create this arc from here to here. This arc from here to here. If I turn off the visibility of the mesh, you can see that the second guide rail has also been created. Now I will click finish the sketch. In isometric view, now I will apply the loft command. First I will click on create loft and first I will select this profile and this profile. Now I will select the rails. I will click on this arrow and will select this rail. Now I will select this guide rail. When I select this guide rails, you can see that two errors are displayed here. First, rail is not smooth and rail is not smooth at this point. Again, I will cancel this and will open the rails sketches. First, I will click on this sketch, right click and edit sketch. First, I will apply tangent constraint at here and here and here and here and will manually adjust this point to here. First, I will drag this here. If I turn off the visibility of the mesh, you can see that this is a sharp point and guide rails will not follow this. Then I will select the fillet command and will apply fillet of 1 millimeter on this point, fillet of 2 millimeter on this point and will click on OK. And then I will finish the sketch. Again, I will apply again the loft command. And when I selected the second rail, and if I go to the top view and turn on the visibility of the mesh, you can see that now the loft command is exactly following the shape of the original mesh. And now I will click on OK. I will rotate this and you can see the basic shape of our rubber grip has been created. After creating a base shape, now I have to create the bottom of the grip just like the reference mesh. Now I will go to the right side and will create a sketch on YZ plane and will create a sketch. Now I will select the dimension tool and will set an angle from here to here 110 degree. I will press escape and will adjust the mesh it here. Now I will click on finish sketch. Now I will go to the isometric view and will apply and will cut this part from. Now I will go to the isometric view and will cut this part. I will go to the extrude, will select this one and click here. The cut operation must be selected and click on OK. And if I go to the right side, you can see that the cut operation has been applied. Now I will go to the isometric view, will hide the mesh and now I will apply fillet command at here. First I will click on fillet, select this one and this one. Will apply 2 millimeter fillet at this point and I will click on OK. Again I will go to the top view and will turn on the mesh and now I have to make circle at here. First I will rotate this, then I will click on create new sketch. I will choose this plane, will move this and I will hide the body and will trace this circle. I will select a circle and will create a circle of exact dimension. I created the circle of 3.5 millimeter and aligned with the mesh circle. Now I will click on finish sketch. Again I will hide the mesh and will turn on the body and will apply cut operation to make a circle. Again I will select extrude command, will select this profile and the extend type must be all. The cut operation has been selected and I will click on OK. If I go to the top view and turn on the visibility of the mesh, you can see that the circle has been created on exact its position. There it should be. Now I will go to the isometric view, turn off the mesh, and will apply a chamfer at here. I will go to the modify, chamfer. I will select this point, will enter the value 1.5 and I will click on OK. If we look at the mesh at here, there is a slightly cut on the grip so that it must be fit exactly on a revolver. For making this cut, I will go to the isometric view and will offset exit plane. First, I will click on construct offset plane. We'll select this plane, go to the top view and move this plane to the upside. I will zoom in and I will move this one to upside. I will align the plane. I'll move this a little bit up and click on OK. Now I will select this plane, right click and will create a new sketch on here. I will select the line tool, will click here, here, here and here. I will finish the sketch on the body and now I will apply extrude cut at here. I will select on extrude, will select this one and will apply an extrude cut of -7.6 and click on OK. Before click on OK, cut operation must be selected and OK. Now if I hide the mesh, you can see that the cut has been formed at here. In this way, our grip has been completed. I hope you like this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.